uh, I'll be talking very briefly is about a project which we have done in UP in midday meal monitoring. It's IVRS based monitoring system. I think I'll rush through all this. This was a long presentation, but I'll straight away come to the point. MDM, as you would be knowing, is provided in all the schools up to class 8th, and in UP we have about 2.14 crore children which study in about 1.52 lakh schools, and every day we have to provide them with midday meal, and it is cooked in the village. Now, what is the system of monitoring under MDM? How do you monitor such a large program in which we spend about 10 crore rupees a day? What we do in the manual system, MDM register is kept in a school, and the headmaster writes in that how many children took the meals today, and then that gets compiled at the block level. From block it comes to the district, from district it comes to the state. As a result, because the register, only the information from the register goes to the block at the end of a month, sitting at the district level or at the state level, you don't know what is happening in your district or state at a particular day. Moreover, at the end of the month you get the bulk information, but you don't get the information like it was cooked in how many schools, it was not cooked in how many schools, which were the schools where the students took meals, out of the total enrollment, 95% students took meals, which is very high unlikely. That means there is some fuzzing of information. So so these are the basically problems. There is a time lag. There is a school-wise report is not available at the state level or even at the district level. There are chances of data manipulation which can take place. Then there is no exception reports available. For example, if I want to know in a district how many schools are there in which the meal has been prepared for more than 70% children, that is not available, or schools where the meal has been prepared for less than 20% children or it has not been prepared at all. So all those things are not available, and that was the starting point for developing this kind of a system, which we called so many about 12-13 IT companies locally and from other places were called, and we had discussions. Various ideas were given. This SMS based, we could have had it SMS based or IVRS based. Finally, we in on a system in which mass calls will be sent to all the schools, 1.52 lakhs schools from the headquarter level. An IVRS call will go, and the teacher, it's like 139 number, the teacher will key in the information on his mobile, and by the evening we'll get the report at the headquarter, and the same report will be used at the district level to take corrective actions. I think I'll demonstrate how it is actually done. I think this is self-explanatory. The challenges which are there, like the resistance by the teachers and pradhans of the Gram Panchayat, because pradhans are the ones who are responsible for providing midday meals. Then we have not provided mobiles to the teachers, so teachers can always say that this is my personal mobile, he can always switch it off. But we talked to the teachers union, and they happily cooperated, so we have not so far faced any problem, although this scheme has started just 1 month back from the 1st of July when the schools opened. Now I think I'll just take you to a site just to give you what kind of call we send. I need a non-BSNL because I'm unable to. Net is working here. Just refresh. Net is gone. Can you help with the net? So I'll just give you a demo what kind of call goes to the teacher. What is the number of this mobile? No need. Yeah. The kind of call goes to a teacher, it will come on these two mobiles, and then the teacher has to plug in information, and then we get like that is the other side which I'll just open. First I'll just the information which comes from the teachers. It comes on this website. For example, this is today's report. In UP, like for if you see district Agra, this is report for all the districts. And today we have like of all the schools, we are still gathering data of the phone numbers. The phone numbers which we have is about 1 lakh. So today we have got data for one. Yeah, so you can attend. You just feed that number. You don't have to say. Just feed any feed it. You can. Just put 342 or any of them, and then put hash.
आपने जो संख्या है वो है 342 यदि ये सही है तो एक का बटन दबाएं अन्यथा 2 दबाएं करने के लिए
1. So this is how the teachers would have given it today, and today we have the information about for the today's meal 1,05,444 schools, and out of which we know now that in 21,983 schools meal was not cooked. For whatever reason, the Pradhan was not available, the money was not available, food grains were not available. See, before this, for the whole last year, I don't even have the information now whether the meals were getting cooked or not cooked, and that was a local problem. Now it has become a state level problem. So that is how it has escalated. Now I can drill down at the all the district level. For example, in Aligarh 318 schools, in Ambedkar Nagar 120, Allahabad 128 schools, and things like that. Now if I click on Allahabad, I'll get a similar report for all the blocks of Allahabad. Or if I just want to know about these 128 schools, then I will get a list of 128 schools. So I can actually take corrective measures sitting from Lucknow for the whole state, or the district magistrates have been given the password and username for this site. They can on their own log into this system, and by the evening they can take corrective steps. Apart from this, we have provision in this website. We can actually give the dates. Like if we want to know right from the 1st of August till 4th of August for all the 3-4 days, it will give the full information for those days. So, now the number which this is just a demo site. I think my mobile is also listening. Like from Sanjay's mobile, this was 343 was given. From my mobile, call is still pending because BSNL is not working here. So this is just a demo of the system. This is how we populate the data received from all the mobiles on the site, and this is how the site looks.